Hi, I am Francis Teo Adornado, and I'm from Bicol, Philippines. I want to share you an investment opportunity that helped me achieve my financial goals. With SE Sports, I managed to increase my daily income to earn passive income. By the way, I work as a sales representative at my grandma's store. I'm lucky to find SE Sports because of its potential to give me a high interest in my investments. I would also like to thank you, Ma'am Lina Juana, my manager in SE Sports, for assisting me and my team in SE Sports. I will continue to invest in SE Sports and make SE Sports stay strong and be successful. Thank you so much, and I believe that SE Sports will help thousands of people like me to achieve their financial goals. Thank you.